Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to only get the game audio and the voice chat audio coming over your headset instead of your TV. And this is very easy to do. It's just a simple setting to switch on over. So let's go to settings, go to general, go to the right, go on down to volume and audio output, then go to additional options. Then we want to check mark where it says mute speaker audio when headset is attached. So this will mute your TV when you have your headset on. Then we want to go over here to party chat output. Now you might have it set to like speaker, so you might not be getting the party chat if you do this, or headset and speaker. But we want to make sure it's set to like headset at least. So the party chat, the voice chat that you're in, will be coming over your headset and not your TV, which should be muted at this point. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.